No. Saw me eat it, huh? Now you want some. Yeah, I caught you in 4K.
Ain't no cap in my rap. I really see in the trap. I'm really serving the packs. I'm really moving like that.
Trying to do my dog something. Little bed, little collar. Need a bowl. Hey. Bro, look at this dog, bro. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Hey. You gonna get used to the camera? But I probably won't record you that much. I ain't gonna lie to you. Why you looking at me like that? Little baby. Little baby. Can I get a fist bump? Fist bump. Fist bump? No? Okay. It's the first day. This dude already boo-booed. So I took him outside and we just been walking. What I gotta do with this dude is he can't see no food or drink. He can't see no food or drink until his next meal. I'm gonna give him 3 meals a day and that's it. Once he finished that, that's all he's gonna have for like a good couple hours. Come here. There you go. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Look at them claws. Okay. I need a name for this dude, bro. Y'all comment down below. Yeah, I got the cage, food. There's food over there, but we ain't gonna speak too much on that. But yeah, this dude just chilling, ain't you? He's just exploring. I need a name for the dog, bro. By the time y'all see this, though, I might already have a name. But y'all comment some names down below. But he right now. But I gotta take him outside, bro. It was a cat. It was a cat following us. I ain't got time for no collision with no little dog and a cat. You know what I'm saying? So after this, he gonna have to go outside and boo-boo. Help me pick out a name. Wow. What is you eating? You always trying to eat something, brother. This is my son, y'all. I think I found a name. I think I'm gonna name him Cabo. Like that place from Mexico? Yeah, Cabo. What's up, Cabo? Yeah. 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 Saw me eat it, huh? Now you want some. Yeah, I caught you in 4K. I'm gonna try and teach this dog how to sit. Saw that? Yeah, I'm teaching my dog how to sit. Can y'all do that? Yes, sir. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, it's like the next. This the third day I'm with you, brother. I changed his name to Apollo. Cause it just looks like it fit this dude, kinda. Watch. Apollo. Hey. Apollo. Apollo. Come here. Apollo. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? What's up, my dog? What's up, my dog? What's up, my dog? What's up, my dog? Okay, I'm sorry. Is you gonna eat? What? Eat. Now you wanna eat. Don't be shy. Yeah. 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 What? Come on. Come on, bro. Always looking at something. Apollo. Bro, it's a person, bro. Chill out. Come on. That's the end of this video. That's the end of this video, man. I got a dog, man. It's been years. I didn't know I would actually get one. But I'm grateful. You know what I'm saying? I'm grateful. Thank God for blessing me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like the video right now. Subscribe. Comment if you made it to the end. And I'm out of here, bro. No cap. Oh, is his name Apollo, if I didn't tell y'all. But yeah. Actually, no, I don't know his name. So y'all help me pick out a name, cause I get stuck on names, bro. Like I be picking one and then wanting to change it. So y'all help me come up with a good name. But yeah, I'm out of here.